Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to be back making videos again. It's been a long time. I really miss coming on here talking to you guys, designing stuff and showing y'all and doing it together and all this other stuff. I really missed it. Welcome to our channel. And if you are new or then you don't know that I own a business, so that takes up so much of my time that I have not been able to come on and be with you guys and design and all that other stuff. But I am back, and I'm back for a reason, and I'm happy to be back. And yeah, so I'm gonna get straight into what I'm here for today. Okay, it is this big baby. And if you don't know about Chalk Couture, which is what I just showed you, the box. Chalk Couture is a company that helps people be able to create things and sell them. Basically, in a nutshell, I feel like that's what that is. And I have joined. I am now an independent designer for Chalk Couture. And this is why I'm back on the channel, because I felt like I needed something different to keep me making the videos, and for it not to be just Dollar Tree and just things I'm just pulling from out of anywhere and designing. Like, I really wanted to have like a purpose of why I'm designing and everything like that. So I felt like when I saw this, I knew that that's exactly what I wanted to do. So I found out about this company from a Facebook group, from someone on a Facebook group that I'm involved in, and it's, I want to say it's women helping other women entrepreneurs or something of that sort. And shout out to Shelby Hart, because that's who I joined on Chalk Couture with, and she's my mentor or whatever. And I have not gotten started yet, as I just got this box in the mail yesterday, I believe, and it was either yesterday or Friday. So today is Sunday, so it had to be Friday. So I will be opening this box with you guys today. So to briefly tell you what how do you get involved, basically it costs $99 to start up. With that $99, it includes your startup packet of things you need to help you start designing. And I'll go through everything that's in this box. Like I said, I have not opened it up yet, so I don't know. I know what's in it because I got like a detail of what's in it, but I don't know what it looks like or anything like that. But with that $99, it starts you up with the things that you need to first initially get started with your business. And in order to be a designer, you must meet a quota every 3 months. So every quarter, you must meet a quota of $150, which is completely easy to do because you can meet that $150 by yourself without anyone purchasing anything from you. The way that people can purchase from you is to go on your website. Your website is included with what you do, which although you do pay for your website monthly. It's $19.99 per month, but they do they manage your website for you, so you don't have to go in and post new items that come in or anything like that. You don't have to do any shipping. You don't have to keep any inventory, anything like that. Everything is at their warehouse. You just, whoever wants to buy from you, just go onto your website. They make their purchase and they send everything for you. So I love that part. You don't have to worry about all that crazy stuff. The only time you will have to worry about that is if you independently are selling whatever you're making, and then you make those choices with your customers and things like that. Every month you get a new transfer for free. Okay, when you are a designer, you get a monthly transfer for free, which is included with your $19.99 that you pay for your website, and it's a transfer that's worth $14.99. So I think that's a deal when you get a free transfer that's worth $15 basically, and a website, and you paying $20 for a website. $20. We spend $20 on nothing. Well, I do. I spend $20 on nothing a lot. So I can spare $20 for a website for my business. So I felt like that was a really good deal. I'm sure I'm leaving some things out, but that's basically in a nutshell what that is. And now I'm going to show you what I got in my box and everything that I'm going to use to make my designs and everything, so that our channel can continue to grow. Because like I said, I missed you guys. I miss coming on here and designing and talking with you and all of that stuff, and I feel like this is going to help me come back to that, and I'm so excited, y'all. And you guys, this is the first time y'all get to really see my she cave, and it's a mess right now, but this is what my background is looking like for the moment, and this is all I want to show you because this is the neatest part of my she shed. So yeah, all right, I'm about to show y'all what I got in my box. Again, I got the Chalk Couture box. I'm gonna open this baby up. Again, it's massive. Our Chalkology paste. So this is what it came and packaged in, and these are the colors that were sent. So I'm gonna open this up. So basically what we do to design is we use paste. We use paste. And this color is Parakeet. I don't know if you can see that. It's a really pretty green. Let me see if this has the foil on it. It does. Peony, which is a really cute pink, like a baby pink. This one is Couture Teal. And I actually I put this in my cart for the ink. So we do ink as well. So we make shirts, and you can put ink on like any type of, on anything really. But I want to get the ink so I can do shirts, stuff like that. But Couture Teal, I was actually going to buy this color in the ink. So I'm glad I got that in paste. It's a really cute teal. The next one is Guava. So you know that's like a peachy color. I love guava. Color is so nice. And then we have Bright White. So I'm glad that they got this white. And this paste is washable. So any surface that you put it on, you should be able to wash it. You can wash it off of the surface and reapply a new design. So that's really good. That's one of the reasons why I really like this this company. I can redo it. Like, so say for instance, I make something for the summer, but I want to use that same picture frame or board for fall. I could just erase that off, make me a new design, and just keep reusing all the colors that I got. Really cute. And I'm definitely going to go ahead and purchase more, because I definitely will want to make sure. I have a net in here and it's driving me crazy. I want to make sure that I get like a black, blue, red, you know, your colors that you normally use for everything. I want to make sure I get those too. So I'll just make sure I note that I have these colors, so that when I purchase, I can purchase additional colors that I need. So yeah, the next thing I got is a small squeegee. Now these squeegees is what we use to apply the paste or the ink onto our material. And it's very flexible, bendable, all that stuff. And I know that some people, when they're out of these squeegees, they say that you can use like the rubber spatulas that you get from like Dollar Tree. So just in case you need to, you can go ahead and do that. But it has their Chalk Couture logo on it. So this I signed up this month, June. It's still currently June while I'm making this video, but I signed up in the month of June. So this is the welcome kit for June. They have a different one for July, and the one for July is awesome. I kind of wish I would have waited to July. I didn't know that the welcome kits were different, but yeah, July is popping. So you don't get messy, won't get your clothes messy. So it's just like a regular apron, and it says Chalk Couture on it. It has pockets, so you can put some of your stuff in. And it's black, and I love wearing black, so that's a plus for me. I want to say this was 12 cards. I'm gonna open those up so you can see what those, so we can see what those cards look like. Make every day a work of art. So that's what this card says, and it's really pretty. Actually, my logo I made looks like this, and I didn't even know it. That's cute. So I got about 4 of those, and then in this style it says cute matters. There's nothing on the inside. It says Chalk Couture on the back. This is really cute. So you have 12 cards all together, 3 different styles. Couture boutique board. So it's a chalk board, and it's 10 inches round. So I'm definitely going to be using this. I think I'm going to put our logo on here and hang it up somewhere in my room. But I think that's what I'm going to do. That'll probably be my first project, is to do that and show and practice. Basically, I'm going to use this board to practice on, because I want to make sure once I get to like my actual projects that I'm a master at it, you know. You don't have to prep it. Some boards that you get from like Dollar Tree, things like that, you have to prep it with wax so that the paste or the ink adheres well. So yeah, with these, if you purchase any of Chalk Couture's boards or frames or anything like that, they're already pre-treated. You do not have to do anything to them, so that's pretty cool. And these, all of these boards will be on my website, so if you're interested in purchasing them, the link will be below to my website. Purchase. All right. Oh shoot. So it also came with the spring summer collection. This book, even though they just came out with a new catalog. That's what I meant, a catalog. So basically this catalog shows all the templates that we have, stencils that we have, boards, the chalkboards that you can purchase, anything that you will want to use to do your designs on will be in this board. I mean, in this catalog, like the frames, like we have a lot of frames in there, and you're able to go through this catalog, see what you want to purchase or whatever. So that's what that is. And then this is the Club Couture. Couture is $19.99 a month, and it comes with a transfer and single paste for you to be able to create your own projects every month. Excuse me. And this is what we, as being designers, we get this for free every month. For June, it's Celebrate Freedom. It has pinwheels on it. So that's the one that was for this month. And the cool thing about this packaging, you're able to put your stencils back in here. It has like a tag where you can hold it up. Folder, it gives me my startup guide. Just gives me okay, it just shows me things that I need to do to get started. Here is Beach Day, and they're individual stencils, so you they have the lines on it, you can cut them out, and I think they're really cute. So we're just into summer, so I still got a little ways to go, and I'll still be able to use these for the summer. This next one says, we may not have it all together, but together we have it all. And this is the Together We Have It All stencil. It's really cute. It gives you instructions on the back on how to use the stencils as well, how to clean them, how to apply, peeling, and all that other stuff. So I think that's pretty cool. It did come with Don't Bother Me, I'm Procrastinating, which is everybody's favorite stencil. And it's mine too. I thought it was cute. This is one of the stencils I put in my cart before I knew that I was getting it. And I thought it was really, really cute. Can't wait to do this one. And the good thing about these stencils too, you can use all of these colors. Like if I wanted to use all of them, I can use all of them. And it's a way to do it. And of course, I'm going to be practicing. I'm just getting started, but I'll definitely be able to, you know, show you guys how to do it, or we can do it together in the video, whatever. But yeah, this one says Happy Masterpiece. I like this one. This is the Business Builder Vision Board. Okay, the last one I got is our logo, the Chalk Couture logo. Make money beautifully. Ask me how. It's just kind of like the yeah, builder, business builder. Ask me how. So those are all my stencils I have. So I got my first set of stencils. I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all just do not understand how excited I am. Then we have the Welcome, Hello, Gather. And this one says Piece of Cake. Have that one too. The thing I have is this big frame. Oh, this frame is beautiful. So it's a chalk frame. It's so beautiful. The size is a 9x12. And I have to decide what I want to put on this. I feel like I want to not put this in my room, but put it in the house somewhere. So I got to figure out. Oh, I wonder if I can put this one in here. Oh, yes. Yes. This is going to be the first one I do, y'all. Oh, this is going to be cute. Oh, my goodness. I'm so excited. But yeah, this is cute. It's like a it's a distressed white frame and chalk frame. It's really, really cute. I want to tell you how much that is because I feel like I want to go through with this being $99. I want you guys to know. I want you guys to be able to see how much all of this stuff would have been had I actually paid. Well, not actually paid for it, but if I would have went on my own and paid for it, it's $99, but you get more than $240 in retail value in products. You get transfers, pays, tools, and services. You get over $240 and you only pay $100 for it. These alone are $12.99. If you become a designer, you get 40% off of that. So I think that's really cool. If you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, guys, please. Thank you guys for continuing to watch. Although we haven't been putting out any videos lately, you guys have still been watching our past videos, still leaving us comments and liking them and everything, and we really do appreciate that. So we're going to keep it going, okay? Let's keep it going and let's get started creating, designing, and styling. Repeat. We're going to keep doing that over and over again. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.